Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe. So, today we are going to learn about the Google Classroom. So, you can download this application on your mobile phones. I have already downloaded it. So, now I'll click on the open. So, now the app is getting started. We'll click on this. Here you have to select that account which is provided by your teachers, right? That is that student admin's account. So, I will select this account. You have to choose your role. You have to select I'm a student. So here is your classroom, right? This page would be there. And one more thing I would like to add, that is your teachers are going to send you the invitation of their classes. I have already sent a invitation here, so you have to click on join and you'll be automatically added to their classroom. In this app, your teachers are going to send the assignment, video, link, and further material related to studies so that you would be able to study, right? So now we'll enter in this class. As you can see, here are some assignments and questions which are already shared with the teacher. So we'll go with the first assignment, that is, here is the message digital class, and one more message is there, that is read the text, right? So we'll click on this attachment. You have to read this text, and even you can also add a comments, right, by clicking here. Like, we'll add this comment. It is uploading. Even you can also delete this comment, right? For example, if your teacher have asked you to read the text and answer or make some sentences, right? For example, your teacher have asked you to make some sentences on that particular text. So what you have to do is you have to take a piece of paper, you have to write your answer, you have to click a clear picture of it, and then you would be able to attach it by click on this, right? So you just have to attach a picture like this. So here it is. Now you can click on hand in, right? When you'll click on hand in, your answer would be submitted to your teacher, right? So your teacher would be able to see it, what you have done. Now we'll go in the next one, that is another question that your teacher have also mentioned answer the question. It means you have to edit here and you have to give the answer in this screen only. You have to click on edit button. You have to write the answer. I have written the answer. Now we'll write the next answer. Now we'll write the next answer. And we can click on hand in. So now your answer is submitted to your teacher again. So there is this difference, like here you're able to edit the text, right? Whatever the question has been asked, you can answer it on the app, but when it but on this assignment, in this assignment you have to write it on a paper and then you have to click a picture and then submit it. I would like to add one more thing, that is, please make sure when you are using this app, you guys are going to enter that ID which has been provided by your teacher, that is a school ID. If the application have taken your personal ID, that is the Gmail ID, so you can click here, you can click here, and by clicking on manage your account, you would be able to manage the accounts which has been activated in your phone, right?